Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!